All right, hello. Welcome back to some more F1. It's kind of, ain't gonna lie, it's been a minute since I've actually done a game that I've recorded and enjoyed. So I'm kind of just loving this. So finally, all of the 7 chapters came out for F1. So, well, there's 6 left. Again, I don't know, I just think it's really sick that F1 is doing a partnership with at least somebody. They never do. They're stingy. I mean, again, it's F1, so it was kind of a given for us as fans. But I don't know. I'm enjoying doing gameplay shit again. Already know, I gotta start on hard. Let's do it. Ignore all the shit that you see on the screen. That's kind of just stuff for me. Kind of help me get better on track. All right, let's get it. I'm wondering if it's gonna give us it's gotta give us a cutscene again. It's got to. See? Called it.
What is this guy doing?
This is actually now turning into an advantage for Sonny Hayes.
And he's just made it in time. Watch out for his start.
5 lights ahead of the drivers. It's lights out and away we go.
This is gonna be like that? Oh my god, bro, just the shots that they were, oh my god, bro. The shots that they were able to get will just, they're not going to faze me. Catch up to Stroll before lap 6.
Okay, that's a great start.
At Silverstone? Light work, baby. Fucking love this track. The fuck? Oh, kinda need that. Thank you. What the fuck? I'm in the back? And you want me to catch up to... Stroll's only in 14th. I don't know how I feel about this filter that they've added to this game. I don't know. Part of me likes it just because it's different. But it's also like, I don't know. It looks very watched. Of course, Max gets the fastest lap. Although it should be the McLarens. Going for the dive! Oh, that was hella illegal. I'm on that ass. Ooh. Nope. It's all good. It's all good. We're making pace. Oh, I know exactly where I'm gonna get him. Oh! Yes, DRS. Oh, that's game. That, I'm just not gonna say shit. I'm driving like a madman. Alright, let me chill. Let me drive for real now. I'm definitely catching.
So gap to the car ahead.
That is a fact. Driver in front.
And you've got P15, P15. Stroll is ahead of you. Okay, keep an eye on that gap ahead, please. 1.7 seconds. Okay, they're on old softs. Ocon behind. They're on fresh softs. And
Oh my
your pit
God, that was
window
a
opens in
beautiful
2 laps
sweep.
time. Okay, we're into the last 10 laps now.
Come on, dude. There's no way I'm not catching this guy. Dude, everything is just right. I'm not hitting anything on point. Ooh! That was pretty nice. I did that pretty clean. What the fuck?
Lost some rears, box.
Copy for the plan B, box.
And here comes Sonny Hayes for a fresh set of tyres. He'll be hoping
That's cool.
these will help him hold on to his current position of P15.
Split jack! Front jack is not worked properly.
You're
This
kidding
is
me.
causing absolute pandemonium in the Apex GP pit lane.
Dude, this is sick.
Whatever could go wrong is going wrong for this team. And coming out of the pits, Hayes just ahead of his teammates as Pearce and Hayes go battling it out here at Silverstone.
Coming for you, old man.
That's cool.
Okay, keep it
I
clean
like
now,
that.
Joshua.
Oh, and it switches to Pierce? What? That's cool. That's actually really cool. All right, lock in. Already done. Oh wait, he's a little more ahead.
Sonny's a couple of places up on you.
Collision. All right. Oh my God, there he is. Look at that time just drop. What the f? Bro, I feel like I'm gonna be saying that a lot. Oh, I didn't complete.
Okay, keep it clean now, Joshua.
Alright, dude, I need to lock the fuck in.
Okay, Sonny is directly ahead of you.
I'm fucking around too much. Being in YouTube mode. There you go, nice and smooth. That's game. That's game. That's done.
Okay, the gap is less than a second.
Right here. I'm just gonna fucking dive bomb it. Oh shit! Oh, he would have fucking. That shit got bumpy. I ain't gonna lie.
Round the final corner. It's close. They make contact. Both apex
Literally what would have happened.
into the gravel. And Pierce hits the barrier.
Damn.
Oh, no.
This is mad. The cardinal sin of motor racing. A double DNF. Just when it couldn't get any worse with a black and gold.
That's a tough one, man.
Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed some of F1. If you've never played it before, here's a little taste into what you're walking into. I got none. Bye.
What a fucking idiot! Give it a little woo! Let's do my little stretch real quick. Nice and comfy. Come on! No! That's why you buy Castify.